This is a 2021 Nissan Navara NP300 pickup. This one is the N-Guard model, the top of the range, and this has headlight washers. So if you've got a vehicle that's got a panel like this on the front bumper on both sides below the headlight, that's what they are. They are pop-out headlight washers. So let's show you how they work. The headlight washers operate automatically when the windscreen washers are being used. However, they only work when the headlights are on, and they operate every 5th time the windscreen is cleaned. And until I filmed this, I didn't realise my near side washer is rather stiff and it needs some attention. But of course you'll never know because you never see these operating when you're driving. So there we go, that's what they look like when they're working. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do click the thumbs up, and if you want to see other videos on the NP300 pickup, have a look at the playlist which is linked in the video description below.